Hi, this is Jason with Dave's Computer Tips with another how-to video for you. This one's on how to create highlight on Google Photos. So your highlight reel, basically choosing photos to highlight in a cool little way. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Last week we covered how to remix photos in Google Photos. I'll put the link down below for you on that so you can check it out. But here we're going to do how to create highlight on Google Photos. And we're going to be using my laptop, my Windows laptop, using Google Chrome browser. I'm going to show you how to do it that way through there. So before we get going, hit the like on this video. It really helps out our channel. Also hit the subscribe and notification bell so you don't miss any new videos we come out with every Thursday. All right, let's jump into this. So first thing, we need a new tab because I want to be up in here. I want to find the up in the right, the Google Apps, the icon right here, a bunch of dots. I'm going to click on that because we're trying to go to Google Photos. And you're going to look for the Google photo. Once this menu opens, you're looking for Photos. Very simple. That's the logo. You won't miss it. You know, it's been out there forever. So click on that. And once you do that, it's going to open up all your photos. And then like we did last week, you want to go, actually, I don't think last week we did it this way. Let's just do it the way we're going to do it this week. You're going to look to the top right, and you're looking for the plus sign. So you're going to click on the plus sign. And once you do that, you're going to find the third one down on my list, my menu. It says highlight video. That's what we're doing, a highlight video. So you can click on that. And once you do that, it's going to bring this up. This is kind of like an AI one where it's basically saying you can search for certain pictures if you have, you know, style you want to go with. You can pick some suggestions they offer, where you live, or from faces that they say, well, find these people, or, you know, they give you some suggestions. I'm not going to do that in this video. You can add a person, you can add dates. We're not doing that. You can mess around with this yourself if you want to get in here and see how it works. But I want to create our own, so we do it manually. So you're going to look to the top right for create your own video. We're going to click on that. All right, now it's going to bring up all your photos, and you're allowed to select up to 50 items. So I'm just going to, I did these pictures today so I could do this example. I just select the little circle to the top left of each image, and I selected these videos. So you can do up to 50, like I said. So if you want to put a ton in here, you can do that. And then once you do that, once you select all your photos, you want to make a highlight out of it. You're going to look to the top right again for create. So we're going to create this. I'm going to click on that. And it's going to do the creating video in the middle. And now it's going to pop up and it's going to go, here it is. So basically you can play it so you can see what it is. So we're going to hit play, and it has its own music in there. So like I said, you can change the music, which is great, but I'm not doing that. So we're going to just move up. So if you look around, you can save it if you like it. You can change, if you go down here at the end of the video, and you're going to click on change music. So if we change music, let's do that. You can change, you can have no music. You can do theme music. That's kind of fun. So we're going to do theme music. You can choose a bunch of different options. They give you a lot of, now I'm not sure, these should be royalty free stuff, but I am not going to guarantee that. So you have to mess with it a little bit and find out yourself. You go R&B, you got reflex. So there's a lot of options they give you for putting cool music to your highlight video. And I'm not going to do anything on this one. I'm just leave it as it is. So I'm going to, bye-bye. And then what you can do is how long each image stays going. So that was really quick on that one. So, oh, I see. Oh, maybe it's not that way. I thought that's what this is for. Okay, so that's where the video is. So these three dots on the side, you can insert clips in the area. You can duplicate this, or you can remove it if you didn't like that image you chose. You can add more photos and videos down here if you have room, which is always good. But if you like what you have, and well, that's interesting. I like this part. So that shows you where that part is playing. I did a article on this. I'll put the link down below. You can look at that if you like to read more than you like to watch videos, and you can do it down there. This one is aspect ratio, how big you want it, you know, portrait or landscape. They only give you two choices, so you can choose one of those. And then if you're happy with it, I'm going to say I'm happy with it. We're going to say save. And what you save is it will take a few minutes for changes to apply. During that time, the highlight video will not be available to view. That's fine. Click save. And once you do that, it's going to think about it. It doesn't, if it's not really large, it's not going to take very long. So once you do that, it's going to bring up the highlight video once it's done. So once it's done, you're going to get some options on the side here. You can share it. You can do some edits on it, which I don't think we need to do right now, but we'll click it anyway while it's doing that. If you want to go, it will let you go back into editing it. That's pretty cool. So if you wanted to get back in editing, you can. Info about the thing, you can favorite it like we did before on some other videos, and you can trash it. That's pretty much how easy it is to make a highlight. So it's doing it again. Okay, I'm gonna mute it. So you can mess around with this, sharing it and stuff like that. You can make some pretty good highlight videos. Obviously this one is not that great, but that's how you do it. That's how easy it is to create your highlight video on Google Photos. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Make sure to check out davescomputertips.com. That's where all our articles are, and also make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.